Hey everyone! In this quick video, we'll show you how to cancel your Google Drive subscription and revert back to the free 15 GB storage limit. So, let's dive right in. Canceling your subscription won't delete your existing files in Google Drive. They'll still be accessible, but you won't be able to upload new content exceeding the 15 GB limit. Head over to one.google.com/about. The link is provided in the description. You can also access it through your Gmail account by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner, selecting Manage your Google account, and then navigating to Storage. Under Storage, you'll see your current plan details. Click on Settings, gear icon, and then select Cancel Membership. You might be prompted to choose a reason for cancellation, but it's optional. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Cancel Membership again. That's all there is to canceling your Google Drive subscription. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.